Honey, Louis Brody, ni, hoi malini ho. Yes. Wait, it don't do. I sing you.
We did present.
Please, if I sing you,
What's that?
start you.
Okay. My people, wanna welcome on top the Party Party Show. Now me being the one and only Queen Olive, the Queen of Love. And this man where they here beside me.
This your queen thing. I don't know whether you be like queen, whether you be like evil spirit, whether you be like the Ogbanje for the area, or you be like the evil spirits where they worry the full nation.
Whichever one you decide, now that one concern you. I shall they look the mirror, they like the way we are, they see myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of you come the Party Show for today. And we make sure say everybody they very entertained on top the whole level. Me, I'm looking like Caesar, Abi. Augustus Caesar, looking like Augustus Caesar, I look like Jesus Christ.
Me.
I look like somebody, Peter, anyone from that year before BC.
222 BC.
222 BC. Now can everything go back 222 BC. You know what they do, man?
Wow, this is a Tommy swag.
With my golden goat. With my golden goat. Before the show finish today, I go do gun pose. I still they feel like Olamide. Olamide.
Bado.
Yes. All right. So, Olive, say proper welcome to everybody.
All right, my people, I know say Ogbolor go like me I tell you now good morning, but now good afternoon, everybody. They tell you now on top of you. Bunga show party party. And today on top of the show, we choose to dress in a way where we say we not go like. Yes. If we not sleep like this, they'll come the dream of this my attire. Very wonderful, sumptuous dreams.
Yes.
But first of all, we go back shakily break.
Yes.
And when we come back, the show will continue.
All
Until then, make I call myself and they made they bring me cold water. They don't come back, stop.
All right, now welcome back. Now see the party show, all right? And as it be like this now, that guy will just dance. No. It's a proof to everybody say, no matter the kind of size you are, you can always enter into your ministry. Are you hearing what I'm saying now?
Yeah.
If you slim, you go fit do things. If you be a robot, if you do things. Size is just a structure.
Meanwhile, that guy wanna see on top of the show. Now we employ for we royal palace. Then go they entertain we guests. Now go they make us they laugh. Now that they call court jester.
Forget
my
it.
Lord. My Lord.
Yes, woman.
I come before thee. I ask thee a favor, my Lord.
What favor, woman, do you want from me?
My Lord. My bangles are old and due for a change, my Lord.
Your bangles are old and due for a change.
Yes, my Lord.
Woman, for this one request that you have inquired of me, woman, I make sure that you'll be hanged. Before being hanged, you will receive 50 strokes of cane. And your children's children will continue receiving 50 strokes of cane every day for requesting for new bangles. You know where?
I go
to ask for new bangles. What's wrong with you? I try my best to be in a kingy P.
I try my best to be in a queenie P. You don't say queens.
Queenie P.
They look very, very.
You not be like queen now. You not be more look. Who be like king and who be like queen? You look like a evil spirit.
You know, go tell them
me,
you tell them me arrange cloth where you wear.
Forget arrange cloth anything. You know they talk all this kind of thing. Make una look to us now. Who be like a king somebody? I be like royalty. Oh my God! I dey feel myself. You know the royalty level, man.
I beg get out. Make we go yarn the Jerry.
Oh yeah, make we yarn the yarn. All right, the first story. Oh yeah, talk the first story. No need for bougie. Talk the story.
If I don't want to cook, Now so king they be kings one no. They very royal.
They're authoritative. Authoritative.
Not be authoritative.
What is it?
Authoritative.
Not be English we speak for years. Not they give me English swag for this place.
Okay.
This is area now. Not they do all this kind of thing. They slow me like this now. They worry you. What? Give us here the Yankees. What's wrong about you? You're authoritative. What's be authoritative? You just speak for my body. There's okay here. Read G's, Jerry.
Ogbolor, not use your body or dirty affect me for a year. And they try to manage you since I don't want to embarrass you for the people made them see. You know that they fool yourself. Nonsense. Okay. Shut up now. Which kind of king you be? When you give yourself brain now. Okay, on top beyond the year, my people today, the kind of story I get for a child. Now this story now they make people they look with Nigerian people as a one kind somebody. Now on top the story where we they look today, Samuel Eto'o, our former African footballer of the year, in claim say yesterday he go buy expensive watch for one place for London. He said as he reached the place, say this watch, now they say the price of the watch now over $100 million. And say he don't go there with him brother, make it for buy 10,000 pounds watch. But say the person, the assistant of the shop, where he can't look and like say, show, where they worry this, why they walking? Why they come price wristwatch? You feel pay. Say the place not far from your house, so say he can't look the watch. He can't tell them, say may they give him the watch. Say they first look what they call give him. Say can't tell them, say I won't buy the watch. Now they call look on one kind. Now they call say okay, may you give us your credit card. He can't give them credit card, oh boy. Now they carry the credit card, oh. Anytime say small time they come outside, now they say money, say that the money not there the card. Say they decline the card. Now the guy can't tell them say shoe.
What if they decline?
Now be say
they're not green the card.
They're not green now. They're not green. So he come there and say wait oh, una sure say una check this card at all. I be now because say we black. Now make una no one use our card at all. Why you in brother come they tell them say wait till work una. Una don't say na Samuel Eto'o be this. Say na my brother. Say the guy get money. Bye. Say the guy go fit afford the wristwatch una won't sell. Now they come look and say una not vex so. Say not be with fault so. Say yesterday now some of una Nigerian brothers carry themselves like sardine come our place. Carry fake credit card can't use. Say now because of that matter, now they come they look say you sure say this will go fit pay. Say me will not vex. You dey see
Naija. Any which way, no matter how it take be, Nigerians, we get the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Now those ugly, those bad and ugly way then they tarnish our country image.
You know get how you want to be. People there for US, they tarnish the name of the US government too. Some people there for other countries say they tarnish the name. You know what I mean? Say because now Nigeria, basically they call they loud the whole thing. Forget. People there for outside the country here, we be Nigerians, so they make things happen. More they loud that one. More not forget people there. Eto'o, go another place, go buy this watch now. You must buy this watch on that place. What's wrong with you?
Pay you because you not get
you
money.
You know they pay my day cool down, not the form yabe. It not be anything. If you not fit down for that place, say you must buy.
But may we they
go
talk truth. May we
they
talk truth. May we not the few of us when we get opportunity to they expose our country. May we they expose them in a positive light. Don't be say we're gonna do bad. Since the other night I see for TV one Niger boy we not say na for an area business. Don't job on woman, promise and love. Job better jobbing for the woman. You say for you supposed get sense, shine your eye. But we my fellow Nigerians, my fellow Nigerians, we not tarnish our image. I beg. We the manager. We Boko Haram don't reach us. We get many problems. Not tarnish our image on the problem where we did.
One thing I know be say he not get the talk. Some people who go bad, who go good.
True.
Who go form I go crazy. But last. We were the always the first side. My own business, they talk of the positive things. One Nigerian just construct one helicopter last week.
Oh, yeah.
We know they hear him. One person just do good things somewhere. We know they hear him. Nigeria is a great country.
Oh, yes.
Nigeria has good people.
We Africans, we have good blood.
Africa, So when they give us all that kind of thing, we are very wonderful people.
Yes.
We pledge peace, We pledge peace. All right. So for my own gist now, bam, this one happened for inside China. One guy just come back from some time Wakabe don't go do. As he returned in house, what happen? Tell me what happen. Ask me what happen.
What happen?
Say what happen.
What happen?
Say what happen again.
Happen?
Hey! As the guy reach his house, boom! Now I see one dog for a parking lot.
Hey!
When they park motor. I say make him enter inside the motor. Now use leg kick the dog. Come out here! As he kick the dog, come out, he enter the motor. Boom! Knock door. Drive come out. Lo and behold, the dog go carry squad come.
Eh?
Carry like 50 other dogs show. When the man come park the car for later for the day, Now all the dogs jump on top the motor. They chop everything, chop tire, chop this way they wipe the whole thing. They chop different places. Yeah? They gazole the whole thing like this. They use teeth. They hold the whole thing. When dog vex, my sister.
Bros,
we get pictures to show that now.
That dog now spiritual dog.
No, you see dog they behave like human beings sometimes. You understand? They behave like human beings sometimes because they have emotions, they have feelings and everything. See that now?
Hey.
Put it for the tire like this, say your daddy. Now me now they kick come out.
They will die there.
The one guy now they video the whole thing, they snap the whole picture. He said to say no do this thing. Nobody go believe say the dogs, they can't retaliate. This was the revenge of the dogs. Revenge of the Inkita. Revenge of the Aja.
They're lucky say Calabar boy is not there that side.
No.
This revenge, where they revenge. Body go tell them.
Oh, my sister, it isn't a Calabar be this. Oh, soup go down the hot since.
Oh boy, let's see where everything go they boil.
The dog that go no say, hey, not try more. So now Calabar man get the motto. Not try more. They want themselves. Oh God, not go try that guy you. From there, anything just go happen. All right. So that's the gist for that particular one and every. All right, so come back to we and our royal emperoristic things.
Oh, yes.
So we welcome now back to still the party show. When I don't go anywhere, they come back with this particular funny videos to make everybody mind just be very, very all right.
We'll pose our
all right,
royal
so
pose.
they come back in a royal P. Thank you. Hey?
Hey?
See fowl and baby black guy. Hey, now wow. You now, no say you now. Being somebody that you are, see this boy and this fowl. What do you think about this issue?
Hey!
The boy they love the fowl. He said, baby, I love you. I love you. You are my best friend. The fowl, I go meet him. Say, you are my caretaker. I love you. The boy they stroke him. But my fear now, we say last week here, we talk of one gist. Me and my friends, of one guy who go torchlight fowl.
That thing not before in gist.
I beg go.
It happen.
I beg go. So at the point they struck the fowl like that, make them very careful. Please. They watch the boy because anything can happen these days. Things they happen for this country, for this world. Some they torchlight goat, some they torchlight dog. Foul too is involved.
Now very sad something.
No, not be good gist at all. So we just be very, very careful. We got another video. Maybe we see the next video to make everybody mind just to calm down. On a Friday P on the royal things. You understand me now?
More give that one.
We should have
that you dancer.
No, forget. Nah, Alanta go work for this.
No, no lie.
Forget for this. I feel myself like Jesus, man. You know.
Shields.
I'm gonna put you on camera. What's up? Say you know this is what you want, and I know this is what you need, girl. So, baby, bring your body, hey, bring your body here. Not fooling around with you, 'cause baby, my love is true. 'Cause with you, what's it? Well, I wanna be, what's it? 'Cause you need someone like me, girl, to satisfy your every need. 'Cause I don't see, hey, nothing wrong with a little bit of bumping, grind, oh. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bumping, grind. Oh, wait a minute, you ready? Look. Saying not treating you right, ladies spending the night out, baby. Girl, won't you try something?
I see nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong.
Hey.
Oh, baby, I don't see nothing wrong.
I see everything wrong. With your teeth.
Oh,
with your
but-
teeth, yeah.
You supposed to carry that guy come
see
party
him
party show.
What's it, the man?
Make it come be
No,
Yanko.
make it no call you. That guy hold your ear. Huh? Oh, baby, I see nothing wrong.
Imagine say that guy get wife. I see wife.
Oh, you supposed to follow me, they group this group. Then talk of
Nothing
your wife.
wrong,
Which
yeah.
guy? Oh, black guy. Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
no
your
verse, no.
darling must be,
My
baby.
Lord,
Come on.
no verse.
No, this is from me, woman. This is from me.
My Lord,
Well, yeah.
I pray thee. I pray thee. Do not throw me away from thy sight.
Guards.
My Lord,
Guards.
my Lord,
F young. Guards.
my Lord, I have but one thing to say to you.
What do you have to say to me, woman?
My Lord, if you will pity me, my Lord, if you will realize that all these years, my Lord, I have been with you, stood through you, even when you were a gate man, up until you climbed the ranks.
Don't remind me of the past. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry,
Do not
man.
remind me of the past.
I'm sorry,
I'm
man.
now the king, the emperor. Oh,
Okay.
their father, they decrease.
One more
Oh,
thing.
not they try me, not they try me, not they worry me. What they
One more
worry now?
thing.
I can remind me of when that they hustle.
One more thing, my Lord.
Waiting.
My Lord,
Yes.
you be fool. All right.
I've been waiting. How you going to call person fool for national TV?
No verse. No.
Hi, Jesus. Hi.
I mean, say, you dey full
una
of
still dey
ideas.
una still dey on top the Padi Padi
You dey
show.
full of
I know
ideas
know
now.
wetin dey worry Olive today. Thank God say today you are your last show and I just have my mind why coming
don't
back
tire, I dey
here for me.
come
Mayowa,
out.
please. Hey. Hey.
All right, when we see vision, you get some kind people where we say,
Which vision?
before
Wetin?
we come to show, they tell us maybe
But
see
that
their
thing,
vision for them.
no, which vision you want to see? Which vision you want to see? We still get one more video to play for people before
Okay.
they come up for
Oh,
everything.
yeah, video before we look
It's
vision.
a vision. Vision waiting.
Now, what for
You be queen, I be prophetess.
Both of
Choose
them,
one now.
Both of them join together. You know, say for this life, they say now different road. Now they lead to market, not be one road. On a pole.
On Ogbolor.
How they talk?
But you find this one.
Oh baby.
You find this money.
Oh.
You find this money.
Thank
You know they even feel collect this thing. Which one is Sabi do now?
Thank you, Nadia. That's why they react.
No,
when
which one
you
is Sabi do?
compliment me.
Say, they give you compliments, you are not working. They
Chris,
they
yeah,
curse
it's
you,
fine
you are
now.
not working.
Tommy! Tommy! Tommy Gabi! Tommy! Tommy Gabi! Tommy! Tommy Gabi! Tommy! Tommy! Nanyanyuka! She's running Gabi!
Dano.
Gabi Akabu!
Hey.
Hamza!
Baller. The girl, she take the ball, he chase the ball, she shoulder the ball, she not the ball.
I salute that girl.
Waiting.
I not fit do am.
You know if you do Abi?
I not fit do am.
What is Sabi do actually, Olive?
Okay.
Tell me the things that we Sabi do. One,
I sabi to look very beautiful like this.
finish. See.
One, now one.
God.
Two, I know book where.
Wait, who fit judge that one? We know. You see, anybody fit claim say no book.
Sure.
Anybody fit claim say like me now. I fit claim say no book now. So they don't get me that way they check the.
Now
no
me you
book
ask
thing.
question. You know ask me say they will take prove wetin you sabi
Forget
do.
it, no book.
Now wetin you sabi do you ask me. How many questions you ask? Let me answer wetin you ask. I sabi sing. I sabi cook. I dey ride bicycle.
Okay, wait, you
and
go
I dey
sing.
see vision.
Okay, you go sing now. Then you go see vision. Okay, you go
Okay.
do those two before we come out for Padi Padi for today. All right. So
Okay.
sing the song now. Sing a music for us. Let's see what you sabi do actually.
Okay. This is special dedication to all my fans out there. All of you, even the hairstylist that made me up like this, the person will give me
Sing the song, not
you
they
know
do
they know
dedication.
say na so all those people they do they do
We
for
don't get
the
time
sing.
for the dedication. Just sing a music.
I don't know
and
what
let's
this
go.
guy chop before he called this show today. Oh. All the girls that they dance, galala. When you see them, they cause galala. For the dance we no do casala. Hey, skele woo, back, skele woo, to the front, to the back, to the left, to the right.
Skele woo, skele woo, skele woo. Skele woo, skele woo, skele woo, skele woo, skele woo.
Your body they ought to do.
Ah, you dey feel it.
Sing along.
But you sing.
Oh,
Just
thank you.
So they feed yourself on the physical P.
Thank you.
They do a talent something. Because most of you get now, you are all concerned about your physicality every time. Picture for us now. All right, this one now Olumo Rock. Wait, abi?
No, be Olumo Rock or na load. Na yam that they carry.
Yam. I don't know na yam they carry.
I did the one that they pack am.
They put Okada on top.
It no matter.
See Okada for you now.
I dey see am so now. Na for that time when they ban Okada for Lagos State.
I don't tire. I dey go back to my village.
What is it? Joy, they piss from up.
Piss. Why should boys have all the fun? Yeah.
That's what don't be now. What don't spoil?
Waiting I want make I don't even talk the one I want to talk. Oh blood.
Na lie.
See flexibility.
I not grave. Now me be man. I not marry this woman.
For waiting now. Olive. See this one with this one particular one now. No need for too much.
Too much waiting.
No worry. But this one now. Oh, forget. Flexibility is the way forward. It's just the way forward. Wonderful. Oh, blagaye.
You don't do. Now this one I fit you, my guy. You know, so you they like flesh, you they like real African woman, where go make you feel like a man. With this woman, you don't need to buy cushion chair for your house. With this woman, you don't need to buy pillow. You don't understand.
Olive, if you continue like this, you are not far from this one. Seriously.
I reject her.
But with this particular woman now, she's very, very many. You understand?
Plenty.
She na matter. They occupy space and it gets plenty weight and everything. You get me now?
Oh, yeah. So,
but she with that one now, everybody just make no need to say, baby, let me take you to the eatery. Say, baby, let me carry you to the eatery. You know that I carry. Say carrying, But all the same.
Let me lift you to the eatery.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I don't feel our swag for today, if I don't feel our dressing today, when I just go on top our Twitter account, will be hot. Wazobia PADI PADI. Reach there, make it drop a comment on the P. You understand what I'm saying? Olive, give them a final gist. Until saying that today be your final day on top of the show.
And they see vision for now.
Hey.
And the vision why they see. You get some people will be say before we come the show, they tell us when we see vision for them.
Hey.
Courage.
Hey.
No. Nkechi.
Hey.
Sarah.
Hey.
Vowe.
Hey.
Jennifer.
Oh.
All these people where we come now, they make us be like winch like this.
We be like winch now.
We they see vision for now.
Now you they be like the winch. Which kind of person
We
be
they
this
see
one?
vision for now. This election. Why you
They
cut
talk,
my vision
they
now?
go.
This election where we dey enter so. Una no go use una hand take votes because of bag of rice.
Hey.
Una no go use una hand take votes because of 1,000 naira recharge card.
Hey.
This election, una vote wisely.
Hey.
Now be my final word for una.
Yes.
No violence. We pledge peace.
We pledge peace.
Peace.
And from my own side, now weekend, make everybody make sure they just do all right, okay? Go outside and make you go catch fun, and then just make sure you do very, very okay.
Oh, yes.
Now, on top the party show be this. We go soon now on Monday. We love all of you.